Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study a topic from Solutions chapter, that is solubility. So what is this solubility? Let me consider a beaker containing 100 ml of water. 100 ml of water. Now let me add 1 spoon of particular salt, any salt like sodium chloride or potassium chloride, and I am going to add this into this 100 ml water and dissolve it. So this is the first spoon of salt which I am going to add into 100 ml of water. So it will dissolve in that 100 ml of water. Now once again I will be adding second spoon of water to the same beaker. So this was the first spoon. Now once again if I add second spoon of salt into this water, that will also dissolve. Imagine that also dissolves. Now similarly I am going to add 3 spoons of salt. That means already I have added first spoon of salt, then I added second spoon of salt, and now I am adding third spoon of salt. So think that the third spoon of salt is not going to dissolve in this 100 ml of water. So what is understood here? The capacity of this 100 ml of water is to dissolve only 2 spoons of the salts, not the third spoon of salt. So this helps in understanding the term solubility. So if you go on adding salt, up to particular stage the salt will dissolve in given amount of solvent, but after certain stage it won't get dissolved in that particular amount of solvent. And you also imagine that the 100 ml water, it is at 30 degrees Celsius temperature. The temperature of the solvent is kept constant. Both the temperature and volume is kept constant, and you are going to add more and more salt into this solvent, and you'll see the amount of salt which is going to dissolve in this particular amount of solvent kept at particular temperature. So here we can understand only 2 spoon of salt can be dissolved in this 100 ml of water, not the third spoon. So this helps in understanding the definition of solubility. So what is the definition of solubility? So solubility of any substance, it is the maximum amount. It is the maximum amount of substance that can be dissolved in a specific amount of solvent at specific temperature. So if you see this definition, there are 3 important key terms, that is solubility of a substance is maximum amount of that substance that is going to be dissolved in specific or certain amount of solvent, and that solvent should be kept at particular temperature. So in the previous example I have taken 100 ml of water. So that 100 ml is nothing but specific amount of solvent, and I have kept it under 30 degrees Celsius. So that is nothing but a specific temperature, and I tried by adding 1, 2, 3 spoons, and I came to know that the solvent cannot dissolve the third spoon. So the maximum possibility for dissolving the salt is only 2 spoons. So that is nothing but the solubility. So any substance whose maximum amount can be dissolved in particular solvent which is kept at particular temperature, that is said to be solubility. So what are the factors affecting solubility? So solubility should depend on some of the factors that we will see here. The first factor is nature of solute. So we know that any solution, it is made up of solute and solvent. So both solute and solvent will make a solution. So in turn, the factors which affect the solubility is the nature of the solute, nature of solvent, and also temperature, because in the definition we have studied the solvent is at particular temperature. So temperature is also important for determining the solubility. And the fourth factor is pressure. So these are the 4 factors which affect the solubility of any solute in particular solvent. So that's about definition of solubility and factors affecting solubility. Thank you.